Political experts and analysts have emphasized that a just resolution of the Kashmir dispute in accordance with the UN resolutions is essential for achieving peace in South Asia. The experts and analysts, preferring to be identified as a single name, said in a media interviews that the unresolved Kashmir dispute has led to excessive militarization and nuclearization in the territory, making it a ticking time bomb. International experts and human rights advocates have denounced India's systematic use of the enforced disappearances in occupied Kashmir as a crime against the humanity. Speaking at a seminar organized by the Kashmir Institute of the International Relations, they expressed grave concern over the issue, citing nearly 10,000 cases of the individuals reported missing in the custody of the Indian forces since 1989. People's Democratic Party President Mehbooba Mufti has questioned the Modi government's contradictory actions towards Jamaat-e-Islami, saying the Bharatiya Janata Party is using proxy candidates to contest the elections while its true leadership remains imprisoned. Addressing a public gathering in the Pulwama's Chandgam area, Mufti highlighted that the ban on Jamaat-e-Islami and imprisonment of its leadership. Ratan Lal Gupta, National Conference Jammu president, has said that the BJP has betrayed the people of occupied Kashmir by outsourcing the jobs, mining and other vital resources to the outsiders. Gupta, in a statement in Jammu, said that the BJP's policies have led to a growing sense of alienation and frustration among the local population who are being deprived of the opportunities that rightfully belong to them. Pakistan's position on the negotiations with India remains clear, with the peace of South Asia dependent on resolving the issue of Jammu and Kashmir, the Foreign Office spokesperson said. The spokesperson said Pakistan is ready to provide full support as a responsible country within the framework of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization, adding that Pakistan has proposed several initiatives to address the issue.